Okay, this video will talk about how I can now share something I built with the rest of my group. Let's say I was in charge of making this tower of inclined planes, and I want now to give this to my partners and put it in that shared Google folder so we can all put it together. I'm going to go to my three dots up here, and I'm going to choose Export To. I'm going to choose Export, and I'm going to click on shapr 3D. I'm going to give it a name that makes sense. This is my tower of ramps. And then I'm going to click Export. And I'm going to decide where I want to put it. On my iPad is fine, or I could do downloads. That way I know for sure where it's going to be. And I will hit the Save button. Now I'm going to go to that Google Drive folder, right? That shared folder. And like we did earlier, I'm going to upload it. So I'm going to go to New, File Upload, and I'm going to go to Choose Files. And in my recents or in my downloads, I'm looking for Tower of Ramps. Now hit Open. And this is now going to be available for anybody else to use. So let's say I am now Mrs. Swanigan or Mrs. Rupley, and I want to use that Tower of Ramps. I'm in shapr, and maybe all I have is this board, right? So let's go ahead and try to delete all of, well, actually I can just do undo, right? Yeah, let's just go back. I got rid of most of it. Try to get rid of this. You get the idea. Okay, so let's say I want to bring this in. I'm going to go back to my three dots. This time I'm going to choose Import. And I'm going to import, actually first, sorry, no, this might work. You know what, I'm going to stop for a second. First, I'm going to go to the Google Drive, because again, I'm Mrs. Rupley now, or Mrs. Swanigan. I need to grab this tower. So the three dots let me download it from Google Drive. Now in shapr, I can go to Import, Files, and again, recents or downloads. Tower of, I already had it. That's where it will show up. And that's going to bring that into my file. So what this means is you could each make different pieces, put them in that shared Google folder, and then combine them into one board.